Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from one PayPal account to another PayPal account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, as you can see, I'm inside my PayPal account here. And now from here, what you want to do is click on the send money under quick links. If it doesn't appear here, you can click on the little drop down menu and it will appear here under that. So once you've done that, click on send money. This will transfer you to another page. And now from here, you can send money to someone's name, username, email, or mobile. You can search for them here. Or if you've already sent money to the contacts, you can simply click onto one of these contacts, PayPal accounts down below. So if I want to send money to Hong the Vin, I'll click onto his name and now enter an amount to see an exchange rate. So I'm in Australia and he's from United States. So if I want to send him $100, it will convert it to USD and then I'll click next and then keep continuing on with the next step. And then once you've confirmed it, you will send money to that other person inside your PayPal account.